Hello, awesome achievers. How about a sparkle this Saturday? How about me sharing a story of a vision which started with a dream, a plan, an idea to bring IT services to India? When I look at this picture, I realize the power of vision, the power of team, power of a spirit which moves people, which realizes dreams. Awesome team member leaders have put their efforts to realize the dream to offer IT services from India. Today, you can walk to our campus and you can see thousands of people delivering from various locations. But at one point in time, this was nothing more than an Excel sheet or a PowerPoint vision. This is one of the moments which I cherish. What are what is your sparkling Saturday moment today? Please share. Love you all.